Hello everyone. Today we are going to give presentation on space exploration in the guidance of Professor Sugandha Mittal. My name is Aman Gupta and my team members are Arvind Kumar, Avnish Kumar, Dishan Nisad and Gaurav Singh. Space exploration and contents of our presentation space exploration is introduction, history of space exploration, need for exploration, targets for space exploration, ISRO, NASA, SpaceX, space debris, problems on space debris, international space laws, human perspective, why slow growth, and at last conclusion. Introduction of our presentation is space exploration is the use of astronomy and space technology to explore outer space. The exploration of space is carried out mainly by astronomers with telescopes. Its physical exploration, though, is conducted both by unmanned robotic space probes and human spaceflight. Space exploration, like its classical from astronomy, is one of the main for space science.
History of space exploration. Constant A. Tsiolkovsky was a Russian and Soviet rocket scientist who pioneered astronautic theory. Vikram Ambala Sarabhai was an Indian physicist and astronomer who initiated space research and helped develop nuclear power in India. Earlier space exploration was only funded by the government of each nation. Now in India today private private players such as SpaceX are investing their own money in space exploration. Need for exploration. Help us learn more about our planet Earth, better research on environment and give us hope for future. Help us understand activities happening in outer space, creating job and opening young's mind, finding resources beyond Earth. Target of space exploration. Long duration space travel, near Earth asteroids, constructing lunar outpost, launching CubeSats, space mining.
ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. India decided to go to space when Indian National Committee for Space Research was set up by the Government of India in 1962 by visionary Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, and then ISRO was formed in 1969. The vision of ISRO was to develop and harness the space technology in national development by pursuing planetary exploration and space science research. Some of the historical achievements of ISRO are it has bagged the prestigious record of sending a Mars orbiter in its very first attempt. It makes India the fourth country in the world to reach Martian orbit. Chandrayaan. Chandrayaan first lunar mission landed in 2008, made India the fourth country to host its flag on the moon. NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NASA was the successor of National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics. Then NASA was created in 1958 from the National Aeronautics Space Act of 1958. The vision of NASA was to reach new heights and reveal the unknown for the benefits of humankind. The historical movement, the historical movements of the NASA are Project Mercury was the first project of the NASA. The NASA Apollo program was successful at putting the first man on the moon. The NASA Space Shuttle program was successful at creating a reusable vehicle that could put humans into orbit. SpaceX. SpaceX started in 2002. The company has created three types of rocket engine Merlin, Kestrel, and the Draco control thrusters. SpaceX is now currently working on two further rocket engines that are Super Draco and Raptor.
Space debris. The problem we cannot see. We launched 9,456 objects in the past 63 years. different rocket parts and dead satellites, debris from rear collision and anti-satellite tests. Problem of space debris. First, causing damage to satellites and probes might causes communication blackout, huge financial loss. Second, debris re-entering Earth's atmosphere and crashing causes damage to property and human life. International space law, the Registration Convention, the Outer Space Treaty, the Rescue Agreement, the Moon Agreement, the Liability Convention.
Human perspective, economical impact, negative outlook, positive opinion. Why this slow growth? Radiation, distance from Earth, there's no GPS for space, temperature, gravity, drag. Conclusion. The conclusion of the space exploration says that it is very important to have the quest for knowing new things in space. It enhances the quality of life on Earth when we come to know about the things around us, which we can see that how they are connected to us. Thank you.